Chef Jeff here with White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to make some crème fraiche for you, but first I just wanted to say thanks for watching our videos. Go ahead and like, subscribe, follow, and let me know what you think. If there's anything that you would like to see us do, go ahead and shoot us a message. We try to respond as quickly as we can, but again, thanks for watching. So let's just dig right in. So today we're going to make some crème fraiche for you. It's a nice, easy, delicious thing to make. It's actually super rich. It's almost like if you think of like a stepped up sour cream. Certainly available in some of these specialty markets that you go to, but it's easy to make at home. 2 ingredients, and all you've got to do is just let it sit. We've got some heavy cream and some buttermilk. Buttermilk, make sure it has the live cultures. Heavy cream is fine. It can be pasteurized, ultra pasteurized, that's all good. But the important part is the buttermilk. Has a lot of great advantages that that the sour cream doesn't. It won't break down when you cook it. It's also a lot richer because of the butterfat content. So let's jump right in. Basic recipe, if you want to think about it this way: 2 cups of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of buttermilk. Nice and easy. We're going to make about a quart because we use a fair amount here. So I've got a quart of heavy cream. And then I'm going to do about 6 tablespoons of the buttermilk. Now, the only thing that you've got to do is you want to let this sit at room temperature for about 24 hours. It's going to get a little tart as the cultures work and everything. If you're not comfortable with that and you don't want to do this, this is not by any means that you have to. Like I said, it's just something that it's great. So here we go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're just going to give this a little stir. And then you want to cover it up, but we're going to cover it up with a little cheesecloth. And that's going to let it breathe. And like I said, you're going to let this sit for about 24 hours, undisturbed. Okay, and I've got, here's your little trick for the day, a little piece of saran wrap. So we're just going to tie that on there, secure it, and we're going to come back in about a day to check it. So yesterday I came in, and we've got one started, so here we go. This is what you're going to wind up with. See how it's sort of thickened up? And you've got that. It's got a nice layer, but look at that delicious richness. Now you're going to want to let this sit go ahead and put this into whatever jar. Let me see if I can get this in here so you can see it a little better. But you're just going to let it, you're going to give it a little stir. But you got that deliciousness. Look at that. It's rich and creamy, and it's got just a little bite of the tart, but it's not sour like sour cream. So we're going to let that refrigerate, and you're going to let that sit for about a day. You can use it just like this, but it's much better when it sits for 1 day. So. So that's going to go back in the box. Now, some of the things you can do with the crème fraiche, it's great on potato pancakes. It's great with smoked salmon, little caviar, cucumbers. You want to do it with some roast potatoes? How about some grilled pears? Remember that? We did those grilled peaches. Grilled pears are just as good. So let's see what we can do here. I got some in a little pastry bag to make things easy. Again, we can do a little dollop right on there. Little piece of smoked salmon. Maybe a little sprig of dill. We could do some with a little cucumber. A little cucumber, maybe with some salmon caviar. How about you want to do a little bit with, we could do a little roast potatoes. Do a nice little quenelle there. Little roast potatoes and caviar, how can you go wrong? And like I said, that crème fraiche with that delicious richness, you're gonna be amazed. Maybe a little chive to go with that. And then we've got some pears. Got some grilled pears. Just give them a nice little dollop of that. And what if you did a little bit of some like honey maple walnuts on there? This is wonderful. Anyway, here's some of the things you can do with the crème fraiche. I'm Chef Jeff, White Apron Catering. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and follow. Let me know what you think, and enjoy.